Da, 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 da. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just got a huge delivery and well, it's one item but the box is really big. So I wanted to do a quick unboxing. This will be probably a quick video because I have only one item to show you from Louis Vuitton. So if you're interested, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and if you want to see more luxury unboxings, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So before I start, I want you to guess what I picked up from Louis Vuitton. I think I'm becoming a fan of Louis Vuitton because I keep buying more and more Louis Vuitton items. So yeah, leave me a comment down below and let me know if you guessed what I picked up from Louis Vuitton. And I'm very excited to open it. I actually started opening the huge box, which is... Okay, so I started opening this huge box and then I decided that I'll do it with you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's open the box. Da, 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 da. Okay, so this is an online order. I ordered this item online. This is a cool box. And I've never actually ordered anything from Louis Vuitton online, but this is how it comes. I guess you can reseal the box if you want to return the item. And then, oh my god, this is a huge box. Hold on guys. Ooh. Alright, so I have the receipt, the box with the item. I'll leave it there for a bit. And there is another booklet. Empty, no carrier bag. I don't need it, but what if I want to return it in store? Like, I might want to, I don't know. Anyway. Actually, I'm not sure if I can return the item in store if I decide to return it if it doesn't fit, or anyway. I'm assuming this is the receipt. Oh no, exchanges and refunds. Here we go. Yeah, you can do it in store and at home. Anyway. Okay, these I don't need. So, looking at the box, can you guys guess what's inside the box? Let me actually do my thumbnail because I don't have a thumbnail for this video. That looks so weird. So let's open it together. Can you guys guess what it is? Sorry by the way if the lighting keeps changing. It's very sunny 1 minute and then next minute it's cloudy, and yeah, the camera might be going funny from time to time, so sorry about that. I love these boxes. I love how they open, it's like a little drawer. So there are two items inside. You can probably already tell what I ordered, right? Alright, so we have laces. So you already know it's a pair of shoes. I have booklets with like care instructions and 2 dust bags. Right, so if you have been following me for a while, you know I've been hunting these down and they were sold out for a very long time, but I finally found them. I literally stalked the website every single day, and oh, did you guys see? And da 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 da, these are my new Louis Vuitton front row sneakers. Here they are. Oh, they're so cool. I love them. What do you guys think? Do you like them? I can't wait to try them on and see how they will look on. So I've been hunting these bad boys down for the longest time. They were always sold out. not available in my size, and I finally found them. They run big, by the way. If you have the chance, it's better to go and try them on in store so you can see how they run, if they run big or small. I personally think they run quite big, so I went a whole size down. And yeah, so these are the sneakers. They have a patent leather detail at the back, white sole, and then also they have the Louis Vuitton with gold writing here on the side, which is really cool. Oh, I also noticed they have this really cute detail here, this golden thingy here. Can you guys see? I'll insert a close-up. You can see Louis Vuitton written on it. Quality wise, these look amazing. Like, I can't see any flaws. Every time I order something online, I like to inspect it very closely and see if there is like any problem with it, because you're paying so much money. They sent me another pair of black laces, but you can also actually change these to white. I think white laces will look cool as well. I bought them to wear with my petite malle. This is the bag. I will film the review video very soon, guys, so stay tuned. I like to be matchy-matchy. I think these two go really well together. Again, they have black laces and the black detail at the back, so they match the bag perfectly. I can't wait to wear them finally together. Can't find the receipt, but I think I paid £420 for these. I think that's alright for a pair of sneakers. My Fendi ones were more expensive. I paid £550 for my Fendi ones. So these are slightly cheaper. Another sneaker I want to compare these to are the Gucci Ace sneakers, which I was thinking about ordering actually, but these are harder to get now because they're always sold out. So as soon as I saw that these were available on the website, I ordered them immediately, and then a few minutes later I refreshed the website and they were completely sold out. They do come back in stock from time to time, so you really have to stalk the website religiously, like every single day. So I want to compare them to the Gucci Ace. I don't own a pair of Gucci Ace sneakers. I've tried them on in store, but price wise I think they're the same price. Of course, Gucci has some sneakers with like embellishment on them, so that they could be quite expensive. I have tried these on once in store, but they were big and my foot kept coming out, but as long as I remember, they were very comfortable. I will try them on now so you can see how they look on, and I also want to style them with like 2 or 3 different outfits so you can see how these look on and how I'm going to wear them. My new Louis Vuitton sneakers. Let me know, guys, what you think in the comment section down below. Do you like them or hate them? Before I end this video, actually, I wanted to show you a few items that are still selling. A few months ago, I filmed a video and I showed you some luxury items that I was selling. I sold most of them, but I have 3 left that I wanted to show you quickly at the end of this video in case you're interested. These will go on my eBay, so I want to show you them here. So a pair of sunglasses. These are Dior. I still have the authenticity cards and like the case and everything, so these are Dior sunglasses. Then I have a pair of Dolce & Gabbana. I wasn't sure if I want to sell these because I absolutely love them, but to be honest, I haven't been wearing these that much, so I decided to let them go. And yeah, these are the Dolce & Gabbana sunglasses. I love these. These are perfect for summer. I absolutely love the frame because it's like this lacy. It has this golden lace detail on it. I'm not sure if it's showing. And last, I have this Fendi item that's left for sale, and it's this beautiful Fendi hat. So this is cashmere hat with silver fox foam, and this hat is in a size medium. So all these items will go on my eBay. I will link it down below in case you're interested. You can find all these on my eBay. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to come follow me on my other social media platforms. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat and Twitter. You can see my Instagram feed here. I upload outfit pictures on my Instagram, so if you want to get some inspiration and see all my new purchases and favorites, you can also check my highlights on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!